Hi y'all. So today is Monday, June 1st, 2026. And I'm right back where I last left off, here at the bus stop near the Amtrak station at mile 8,939 and a half. Yeah, it was 5.5 miles to get from the start point to here. And normally I don't count up a half mile, but since it's only 2.5 miles to finish up this mini adventure, yeah, I'm counting it up. So let's go get these last couple miles done. And back over behind there is the Amtrak station. And here we are back at Skinner Butte Park. And now I'm back on the Eugene Solar System Trail. I figured, let me try out these stairs. See how my knee feels. I'm only carrying this little pack, so, and not too bad. And wow, sun is right there. Look how big that is. And here we have the sun, our nearest star. The sun is by far the largest object in our solar system, containing more than 99.8% of the solar system's total mass. Its gravity holds everything in orbit, from the biggest planets to tiny debris. The sun is a hot ball of plasma at the heart of our solar system. It's about 92% hydrogen and 8% helium by atom count. This changes slowly over time as the sun converts hydrogen to helium in its core, which creates the enormous amount of energy it radiates. The sun has existed for almost 4.6 billion years and will exist for another 5 billion before becoming a white dwarf star. Wow. And here we have Mercury, or actually, we don't. Yeah, I figured with Pluto gone, I might find another one or two of these that are missing the planets as well. Mercury, a planet of extremes. Mercury is the smallest planet, only slightly larger than Earth's moon, and closest to the sun. It orbits the sun in 88 Earth days, but its slow rotation gives it a day-night cycle of 176 Earth days, or 2 Mercury years. Every Earth year, Mercury orbits the sun 4 times. Daytime temperatures reach a scorching 800 degrees Fahrenheit, while nighttime temperatures drop to negative 290 degrees Fahrenheit. Wow. That's pretty crazy. Now I'm going to head over to Venus before coming back to hit up Earth and Mars. And it looks like Venus is missing too. Oh, that sucks. Unless that's Venus. And here we have Venus, Earth's sister planet. Venus is known as our sister planet because of its closeness to Earth and its similar size. It's the brightest object in the night sky, other than the moon. Venus is the hottest planet, reaching 900 degrees Fahrenheit because of its closeness to the sun and the greenhouse effect caused by its thick atmosphere and complete cloud cover. Venus has crushing air pressure at its surface, more than 90 times that of Earth, because of its heavy 96.5% carbon dioxide atmosphere. It rains sulfuric acid. Now off to Earth and Mars. And here we have Earth and its moon. Well, the moon is clearly gone, but this is Earth, the water planet. The third planet from the sun, Earth has liquid water and life. Earth's atmosphere is 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen, 0.9% argon, and 0.04% carbon dioxide. All the oxygen in the atmosphere is produced by plants, algae, and bacteria. Earth has a molten core believed to be mostly iron and nickel. Earth's axis is tilted 23.5 degrees, which is what causes Earth to have seasons. The Earth has one moon. And here's the moon. The moon was probably created by a Mars-sized object colliding with the Earth when the Earth was still molten, knocking off chunks which came together and became the moon. The moon has no atmosphere, as its small size doesn't create enough gravity to hold gases. Its gravity, along with the sun's gravity, tugs at the Earth's oceans, creating the tides. The moon rotates once every time it orbits the Earth, so that the same side of the moon is always facing the Earth. The moon is the only extraterrestrial body to have been visited by humans. And here we have Mars, the red planet. Mars is the fourth planet from the sun, a dusty, cold desert world with a very thin atmosphere. Mars is coated with iron oxide, rust, which gives it its red appearance. Liquid water cannot exist on Mars due to its low atmospheric pressure, but underground ice has been detected, and the polar ice caps are largely water. Mars has large dust storms, reaching speeds of over 100 miles per hour. That's 160 kilometers per hour, that sometimes cover the entire planet. Mars has two relatively small natural moons, Phobos and Deimos. It takes spacecraft about 7 months to get to Mars, traveling at over 24,000 miles per hour, about 40,000 kilometers per hour. NASA currently, as of 2021, has 2 rovers, 1 lander, and 1 helicopter exploring the surface of Mars. Now on to the Eugene Science Center to check out the last 2 installations of the solar system trail, which are Proxima Centauri and Proxima b. And right there is the Eugene Science Center. All right. And finally, we have Proxima b, and here is Proxima Centauri. Wow. This stop on the Eugene Solar System Trail shows the closest star system to our sun, but space is so massive that it literally breaks the scale. Every step you take here shrinks the universe by 1 billion times. On this scale, the Earth is just a tiny marble. But if you wanted to walk from the park's sun model to this exact sign at its true scale distance, you wouldn't just be walking across the city. You would have to walk 40,000 kilometers, which is literally the distance around the entire Earth. Since nobody has time for a global hike, the station sits right here at the Eugene Science Center. It reveals that Proxima b is an Earth-sized world orbiting in the habitable zone. Liquid water could exist on its surface, but it gets blasted by solar radiation 2,000 times stronger than Earth. If any alien life survives here, it is likely hiding deep underground. And that is the Eugene Solar System Trail. Now I'm going to go head off to the bus stop where I'll sit and check, see how many miles I've done. So I just looked it up and I did a total of 8 miles on this adventure. And that puts me at mile 8,942. Hell yeah. All right. And as always, where are you? It's your hit. Don't make me smoke all this weed by myself. Find me, follow me, see where I am. Come out and walk 1 mile with me and I will show you magic. Meet Eugene's Mini Stonehenge. Officially named Eugene Group, this 1974 sculpture was rejected by Bend for being too weird, so Eugene embraced it. Locals call them space aliens, but they're just 7 geometric characters dancing together. Much love and much peace, you all. This is Mom's garden at nighttime. She's got a variety of edible plants growing over here. And more over there. And a hammock here. I wish my body could handle being in one of those. And more decorations here. And there. More plants. And here it is during the daytime. And here's just more of the gardens. Yeah, I'd say my mom's done pretty damn awesome.